In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal account to Discord. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your PayPal set up as a payment option inside Discord, which is helpful for things like Nitro subscriptions and server boosts. We'll keep it simple, clear, and secure. Start by opening Discord on your desktop or in your browser. Look down to the bottom left corner of the app, right next to your profile picture. You'll see a small gear icon. This is the Settings button. Click it to open your user settings. Think of this area as your personal control center for everything related to your account and preferences. Inside User Settings, look for the section labeled Billing on the left-hand sidebar. Click Billing to open your payment and subscription area. This is where Discord manages your active subscriptions and any payment methods you've saved. Once you're in Billing, select the button that says Add Payment Method. This brings up the list of available ways to pay inside Discord. From the available options, choose PayPal. As soon as you select it, Discord will open a secure PayPal login window or redirect you to the official PayPal page. This is normal and expected. It's how PayPal verifies that you're really you. Enter your PayPal login details and follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate the connection. You may be asked to confirm that you want to link PayPal to Discord and agree to PayPal's terms. Complete that confirmation and then wait a moment for the connection to process. When the authentication finishes, you'll be returned to Discord's billing page, and you should see PayPal listed as one of your payment methods. That means the link worked and you're ready to use PayPal for eligible purchases within Discord. A few quick tips to keep things smooth and safe. Make sure you're logging in only through the official PayPal window or site, and check for the secure padlock in your browser's address bar. If you're using a business or personal PayPal, either can work, as long as your PayPal account is in good standing and supported in your region. If you encounter a temporary verification prompt from PayPal, simply follow the instructions there to complete the authentication, and that's all there is to it. You clicked the Settings gear, went to Billing, chose Add Payment Method, selected PayPal, and logged in to authenticate. You're now set up to use PayPal on Discord whenever you need it.